My name is Emil Minev. I'm a Culinary Arts Director of Cordon, Bleu, London. What temple food means to me and what I've experienced today in the past few years is we start this collaboration. It's the harmony between the monks, the nuns, and the ingredients and the nature. I think the depth of knowledge in terms of the ingredients, the nature, the cycle of the nature, and the whole philosophy, I think that is what really stands out for me, and that's what's really fascinating and what I've learned so far. That is extremely important, and the most important is we as a chefs, we cook food to make people happy, and I think this is where it comes. This is where the similarity is between us, between me as a chef and the philosophy of the Korean temple food.
근데 사찰 음식 자체는 제가 생각에는 본연의 맛, 최소한의 양념, 그러한 부분을 굉장히 중요시 여기고 또 제때 나오는 그런 식재료를 해가지고 또 먹을 수 있는 이러한 것들이 널리 유포가 되니까 사찰 음식이 현대인들에게는 유용한 음식 중 하나라고 저는 생각을 합니다.